Everybody. I hope you are doing well so far. So in this video, we want to explain about GitHub issue tutorial, and then we'll guide you through the step to create an issue, solving an issue, and basically teaching you how the collaborative coding is done in our uh, company. So let's get started. So I'll introduce you to a couple things. First, okay, so just bear with me. So let's go to our file. I'm sorry, this is typo. There should be an L here. Okay, so yeah. So first of all, in collaborative coding or social coding, there are usually two main components. There is an issues. Issues is where you basically providing an idea about uh, some new features, some changes, or you might as well report a bug fix, right? And in here, I already create example issues that people can work on. So, for example, I asked the community to create Indonesia translation because currently it was using English, so kasus bahasa Indonesia. And there is also another one as well. For example, I asked the community to create FAQ for the internship uh, frequently asked question, and we also create a lot of things here, right? And in this video, I want to explain the cycle. So someone's creating an issue, and then some other people is creating a pull request. And then in here, for example, I create a pull request uh, for like issue number 6. So for example, in here, I should have naming it as this one. Sorry. So finish the first step part 2. So fixes number 6. Number 6 was create first step for aspiring intern. Actually, it is not solved enough. So I'm sorry, guys. I'll make it reopen again. So in the issue, there is open and reopen. So by open mean the issue is active and valid for people to do. But when you close an issue, like for example, previously this issue is closed accidentally. Uh, by closing means someone already solving it. So in here, in the pull request, when you get a pull request, you're telling us what is your fix, which issue you want to solve, right? And then the second one is you want to share to us the preview URL, the one that I'm telling you earlier about the Git hack URL, which basically I can check your changes in real time. So for example, here, my changes was adding some additional information in the step 3, step 4, and so on and so forth. Let's check. Go to the step 3. Now the step 3 is containing some files. However, if we open the open source.coolcool.tech in in the other tab, like in here, if we go to the step 3, there is nothing here. So by creating a pull request, we basically propose any changes, and we provide the people who read the pull request to see what the changes is by providing the Git hack URL. So yeah, that's the culture around here. And then your job is to create issues and pull requests. So your job in the steps number 6 is create 2 pull requests to solve one of the issue that we have here, and then create a comment on any issue that you didn't create, and then you create one other issue. Yeah, that's it. So good luck for your task. Hopefully you can finish the task until the end and you can be part of our team as a cool kid. Thank you.